Today's cryptocurrency market news. The price of Bitcoin has breached the level of 57,500 US dollar on 11 October 2021. Last time, the price of Bitcoin was around this level in the month of May 2021. So, after a gap of 4 months, the price of Bitcoin has reached a level of 57,500. Looking at the stochastic RSI chart, there will be a small correction in the price of BTC. However, what do you think will be the level of price of BTC by the end of December 2021? Please comment. A very bullish news for all the Tezos hodler. Tezos has significant developer interest according to Bank of America, the fifth largest bank of United States of America. Until a few years ago, banks and other financial institutions would dismiss digital currency or cryptocurrency as a fad which no one needs to pay attention to. Today, these same institutions are trying to tap into this market. Bank of America is one of those institutes. The officials of the bank now believe crypto asset should become a new asset class altogether. However, figuring out how to evaluate digital asset remains the tricky part. For Bank of America, developers' interest and the activity is a crucial metric in evaluating digital asset. Going by the recent developer asset, it appears Tezos is one of the blockchain ecosystem which the Bank of America has kept an eye on. It note a strong increase in organization and the repository, putting it ahead of the Graph, IOTA, Near Protocol, EOS, Stellar, and others. The value of Tezos' native asset XTZ has risen greatly in the past year. A 249% increase in a year is very impressive and highlight the price potential of cryptocurrency. Tezos is on par with other major currency on that front, lending credibility to Bank of America's news framework. So, what do you think of this news? In another news, Ripple to support solar energy projects to reduce crypto industry's carbon footprint. Blockchain company Ripple, which has ticker symbol XRP, has announced a partnership with Lincoln-based financial service company Nelnet. The company will jointly invest US$ 44 million into the company's renewable energy business division in order to provide funding for American solar power project. Ken Weber, Ripple's head of social impact, claims that guaranteeing a clean energy future is a major priority across every industry, not only to drive future economic growth but also to ensure a more sustainable world. As the adoptions of cryptocurrency and the blockchain continue to grow, it's evident that the technology will underpin our future financial system. The projects funded by Ripple are expected to offset more than 1.5 million biometrical tons of carbon dioxide greenhouse emission. Ripple has been one of the most climate conscious company in the cryptocurrency space. In April 2021, it became part of the Crypto Climate Accord together with Consensus and the CoinShare. Well, what do you think of this new development in Ripple? Will it lead to increase in the price of Ripple or XRP? Kindly give your thought. Bitcoin dominate institutional capital flows as investors accumulate Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano, according to CoinShares. CoinShares, which is a digital asset manager, says that Bitcoin is taking the lion's share of institutional capital as sentiment in the crypto market remains upbeat. The firm also says that SEC's head Gary Gensler recent hint about possibly supporting a Bitcoin future exchange traded fund or ETF in short could have fueled the rise in sentiment. However, Ethereum once again considered a portion of the institutional flow to Bitcoin, giving up 1% of the total asset under management over the last week. It was a mixed picture in other altcoins, with recent favorite Solana getting an inflow of $12.5 million and the Cardano getting $3 million, suggesting the focus hasn't entirely switched to Bitcoin. So there is a huge capital inflow in the cryptocurrency. This is good news for the cryptocurrency.